Hi again, this is Irfan. I came across a big lot of camera gear. It was mostly F100 camera bodies, wonderful shape. I'm very fond of F100s and F5 cameras. They're very well made cameras, very strong, rock strong. In fact, there are two bodies. One comes with a battery grip and another is without the grip. It comes with the AA holder. And both cameras are in a wonderful shape. This has this leather cover for the base attached to it. Very clean cosmetically. Looks like they have hardly been used in the past. They were in a big Lower Pro bag and they even came with a light meter. Everything works perfectly. I haven't film tested these, but they look like they're working well. Everything works perfectly. There's some roll inside, older. I don't know how old is that roll, but that's pretty that's expired roll. And this also appears to be in a wonderful shape. Very clean cosmetically. Works great. Also came with this Minolta light meter, which also appears to be working. It needs a slightly different battery. I did get hold of one, a smaller battery. It's an older one. It's missing the part which fits on the top, but Sekonic is working. Is complete. It comes with its original case. So this was my recent find. As I said, both bodies are in a wonderful shape, very clean cosmetically. After a while, I came across these F100s. I recently did find one a couple of weeks ago that had some sticky wear. It wasn't much, but a little bit of sticky wear was there on the back, but these both are clean. You're most welcome to write me your comments. In case you have any questions, please feel free to write to me. Thank you very much. Thank you.